tension-gripped Bengaluru's JJ Nagar area after stones were pelted at a Om Shakti procession. This happened late on Sunday night when the Om Shakti devotees were passing through a residential area when stones were pelted by miscreants at the procession. Over 50 devotees had gathered outside the JJ Nagar police station demanding action. The police have now registered an FIR and 3 minors, all of them said to be aged around 15 to 16 years, have been arrested. The Home Minister said authorities will investigate if anyone instigated these minors to pelt stones. Meanwhile, the BJP has slammed the Congress government for the failure of law and order in the state. In fact, BJP State President B.Y. Vijayendra took to Platform X and blamed Congress for communal tension in Karnataka. He also urged CM Siddaramaiah and the Home Minister to immediately act on the miscreants. Many, in fact, in the area have said that this is not the first time that the Om Shakti procession has been targeted by miscreants.
ಐದು ಜನ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗರು 17 ವರ್ಷ 15 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗರು ಅವರು ಓಂ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಎಸೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜುವೆನೈಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಕೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗಲೇ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೇ ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಅವರು 17, 15, 16 ವರ್ಷದವರು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಚೋದನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹೇಗಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು BJPಯವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, BJPನವರು ಹೇಳೋದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಂಥ ಘಟನೆಗಳಾದಾಗ BJPಯವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದೇ BJP ಅವರು. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು BJPಯವರು ಹೇಳಿ.
नहीं, कल रात में ओम शक्ति का प्रोसेशन जा रहा था और प्रोसेशन के वक्त पे थोड़ा पत्थरबाजी हुआ है, नहीं करके नहीं है. उनको रात में ही 3 जन को अरेस्ट किया गया था. वो माइनर है करके, वो माइनर रहने दो, मेजर रहने दो, माइनर रहने दो, मेजर रहने दो. गलत ही है. जो किया उसको कानून जो सजा देना चाहिए वो सजा देंगे. लोकल वालों ने गलाटा किया है. भाई तुम बाहर वाले आके इधर क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोकल इधर है, हमारा मसला हम खुद हल कर देंगे करके. तो हमारा एरिया ऐसे है, एक शांति का एरिया है हमारा. चामराजपेट शांति, हिंदू मुसलमान सिख ईसाई सब भाईचारे से है.
बार-बार ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स हो रहे, हिंदू प्रोसेशंस को अटैक कर रहे करके.
नहीं, ऐसा कोई नहीं है. इसको BJP वाले उसको एक इश्यू बना रहे. आप ही देखे होंगे तमाम स्वामी जी इधर मेरे साथ थे. ऐसा कोई नहीं है.
I'm standing here in Bengaluru's JJ Nagar where tension continues to simmer after stones were allegedly pelted at a Hindu religious procession on the evening of January 4th, Sunday. The incident took place at around 8 p.m. near VS Garden where devotees were taking part in a procession of goddess Om Shakti. According to eyewitnesses, stones were hurled from the shadows as the procession moved through the stretch. A young girl participating in the ritual suffered a head injury and had to be rushed for medical attention. Soon after the incident, anger spilled onto the streets. Over 50 devotees and local residents gathered outside the JJ Nagar police station, accusing miscreants of deliberately targeting Hindu religious processions. Following the unrest, police swung into action. Senior officers conducted spot inspections, while those involved to trace those involved in the stone pelting. 2 dedicated teams carried out search operations through the night, questioning residents from the areas. In a significant development, police have arrested 3 minors in connection with the stone pelting. All the accused are said to be between the ages of 15 and 16. State Home Minister G. Parmeshwara has said that police is investigating if these minors were provoked or instigated into stone pelting. Security has been significantly stepped up. As you can see behind me, 3 Karnataka State Reserve police platoons have been deployed with more than 100 police personnel across JJ Nagar and surrounding pockets to prevent any further flare-ups. For now, a tense calm prevails in JJ Nagar with heavy police presence continuing as investigations remain underway.
In fact, Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwara saying that the probe will now also focus on whether there were people who instigated these three kids to pelt stones at the Om Shakti procession. Remember, JJ Nagar is a sensitive area in the city, and despite police presence, when this procession was passing through a particular residential area, stones were pelted at this procession. 3 minors have been arrested by Bengaluru police so far. The investigation continues. The police, in fact, now looking for the presence of CCTV in the area to verify if the CCTV has captured any of these miscreants hurling stones at this procession. Remember, this is an incident that took place late last night, late on Sunday night, when there was an Om Shakti procession that was going on. Stones were hurled at the procession. Later on, the situation got tense. The police, in fact, had to call in for additional deployment. The State Reserve Police was also deployed there, after which the police ensured that the crowd which had gathered outside the JJ Nagar police station was also dispersed, because people who were part of the procession were angry that at least 2 to 3 people, including one girl who suffered head injury, and all these devotees sought action from the police. The DCP and senior officials had to rush to the spot late last night and bring situation under control. In fact, my colleague Afreen Hussain, who was in JJ Nagar earlier in the day, now joins us live. Afreen, JJ Nagar is a sensitive area, and despite heavy police presence last night, you had these miscreants manage to hurl stones and create unrest in the area.
Well, absolutely, Harish. We get to know that from police that 3 minors have been arrested with regard to the stone pelting. All the accused are aged between 15 to 16, and despite the presence of police, it is being said from the account of eyewitnesses that stones were pelted from shadows when this particular procession was moving through a stretch near VS Garden, and the police has worked overnight after forming 2 special teams to identify the miscreants and track them down, who were the ones responsible for hurling stones at the procession. There was Karnataka Minister Zamir Ahmed Khan present at the spot. He's also spoken to the DCP and made sure that whoever is responsible for this particular stone pelting incident, they should be given stringent punishment. He's also gone ahead and said that these 3 minors could not have been the only people involved in the incident, and he's asked the police to find out if any adults were, there who have provoked them or instigated them into hurling stones at the procession.